Hi guys, it's your girl TayaLatrice and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me waxing my legs for the very first time. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. Okay guys, so out of the blue I just decided I want to wax my legs. I usually just shave them, but I wanted to wax them, you know, for who knows what. I don't even know. So I went on Amazon and I bought this waxing kit. So this is like not this is the one with the actual wax pot with the beads, you know. Let me just open it so you guys can see what it is. Oh, look at that. They gave me a card. I always read the card first, don't y'all know that? I don't even know if it's a card. I don't know what to do, but honestly, maybe it is a card. It says, especially for you. That's cute with the little flowers. Oh wait. That's so nice. That's so nice, you guys. I love good customer service. And this is good customer service, okay? But anyways, it comes with like these wax strips and it has the beads. So I was looking when I was on Amazon, it said that the black ones are for more coarser hair. So like wherever you have coarse hair or like real curly hair, that's for that. 2 blacks and then 3 browns. Blacks and then browns. So browns are for the lighter or the thinner hair. So I'm probably gonna use the brown ones for my legs because the hair on my legs is like not real coarse. It's like straight hair. Came with 2 different size popsicle sticks, okay? Then it came with after wax treatment spray, and then it came with a pre-wax treatment spray. That's nice. Nice. Okay. Last but not least, the wax thing, the wax pot. Is it called a pot? I don't know, y'all. Like I said, I'm new to this. I've never waxed my legs before or anything like that, so yeah. Oh, okay. There's some stuff inside here too. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. Oh, they gave you some gloves. And then the spray tops for the treatment, the pre-wax and the after wax. That's it, y'all. That's it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to read the instructions because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm gonna read the instructions, then I'm gonna come back and let y'all see where I'm at that point, okay? Okay guys, so this particular wax warmer, it has the temperature settings right here, and you just turn the knob to the temperature that you need it to be on so that you can do the wax, y'all. That is so cool. I didn't know they had this kind. But yeah, okay, so I got it on. Now I'm about to put the beads in that I'm going to be using. I don't know how many or how much beads I'll need, but since I'm a beginner, I think I may put a little bit more just in case I mess up. Okay guys, so the wax is ready, it's all melted, and I'm getting ready to spray the pre-wax treatment on my legs, and I'm getting ready to get started, you guys. I am so nervous. I'm just praying I don't burn myself, but I will test a little bit of the wax on my wrist to see if it's too hot or not. So y'all, but I am nervous, really nervous. I think it's gonna hurt. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so right now I'm applying the wax to my leg and just blowing it a little bit so it can dry real quick, and then I'm going to pull it. I'm pulling from the bottom up, but later on in the video I realized that I needed to be pulling from the top down. So here again, I'm applying it again, and I'll allow that to dry, and I'm pulling from the bottom up again. To count 1, 2, 3, and yep. Y'all, when I tell you that hurts so bad, I don't know if y'all see my shoulders tense up, but they definitely tense up. This is painful. So here I decided I was going to pull from the top down, and look how much hair came off. So then that's when I realized that I need to be pulling from the top down. But of course that hurt, and then that's when I noticed I started to bleed. So I was like, what, is this normal? So yeah, I did have a little blood come out. And I'll be showing you guys my progress so far. My skin is so red at this point. So again, I'm just applying the wax to my leg, and I'm going to pull it off. Y'all, when I tell you this is so painful, I do not understand how women can go through this pain. I cannot do it. I will stick to shaving or stick to using Nair. I will not, I repeat, I will not be waxing my legs again. I could not even finish. I only did one leg, half of a leg, not even my full leg, because it was so painful, so painful. Like, it hurt so bad. The worst part is trying to get that little bit of extra wax off your leg. That man, y'all, that's just like pulling the hair straight out of the follicles. So right here, I decided to put 2 layers and try to peel this off. And this is when I realized that I was not doing this ever again, because of course it broke, and that just hurted like crap. So I was like, nope, I'm not doing this again. So this is what my leg looks like. As you guys can see, it's just this side of my leg that is done. The other side is not. Y'all, look at my face. This is a fail, a fail, a fail, a fail. This stuff hurts too bad, you guys. I cannot finish my leg. It hurts too bad. I don't know what possessed me to get no wax kit. It was just kind of like, I was just like, oh, I should get a wax kit. And I got it, and yeah, this is definitely a fail. I have quit halfway through. If you guys can see, I still have hairy legs. I did this one little spot on this leg, and then on this leg I got this whole side right here, and then this whole side I didn't do. But yeah, I can't take it no more. It's too painful. And yeah, I refuse to do anymore. So that was my very first wax experience, and it will also be my last wax experience. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.